How to download and set up a VPN on your PC. First of all, it is requested you to subscribe my YouTube channel. Now move towards topic. First, open your settings on the PC. Navigate to Network and Internet. Then select VPN from the side menu. Click on Add a VPN connection. Under VPN provider, choose Windows built-in. In the connection name, enter VPN. For the server name or address, open your browser and search for www.vpngate.net on Google. It will usually appear as the first result. Open the website. You'll see a list of VPN servers sorted by country. Check the ping and number of users. A higher ping generally means better connection stability. Copy the host name of the server you want to use. Paste this host name into the server name or address field. Set the VPN type to SSTP. Leave the type of sign-in info as it is, default. In the username, type VPN. In the password, type VPN. Click Save, then go back and click Connect. Now your VPN should be connected and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.